ActionAid is a right-based organization working since last 40 years. We are there in 23 states and working on more than 300 projects across India, like HIV positive, girl, child, human empowerment, so on, sir. Here we are doing a special campaign for the children who are underprivileged. For these children, we are looking out for the donor support for their education, sir. And we are working for the child sponsorship over here. Child sponsorship means the relationship between the child for whom you are supporting, needy child, and the sponsor is called as a child sponsorship. And you can come on to look up to the changes that are going in the after your support, what are the changes happening in the child's life and as well as the community. And it brings a lot of change because of your support, sir. So, once you support a child over here, sir, this is the welcome kit, and you will receive a child profile pic of the child for whom you are supporting, and total details of the community, why is animal study, what are the problems he is facing on his community, and what is his background, and what are the other problems he is facing over, and all the details will be there, sir. And this is the community newsletter, sir, through which you can come to know about the other problems which are running in the community and how ActionAid overcomes it with the help of the donor support like you. And as you know, sir, this child's age is very small, from 3 to 9 years. They are very small to write and read, so they draw small paintings and craftings like this and send it to you as a thanking message for your valuable support. And so, if you want to support a child, this is the form. Hello. This is the form which you have to fill up with your name and address. Hello. Name and address for communication and mode of payment that you are going to do. This details just your name and at which you want this welcome kit to be delivered, and your mail ID, so that we can send you the whole details about ActionAid and whatever we work with, what are our projects and all details we can send it out, and whatever you are comfortable with, sir. So please confirm and support at least for one child. This is the form, sir. Can I know your name?
Yeah. Before I say my attend my decision, I would like to know one thing. How do you ensure my money is going to the right place?
Yeah. For that question, we can say like this, sir. ActionAid is a committed organization towards social change, and we have systematic auditing happen. We have a systematic organization. We monitor all our projects and all our sponsors also on daily basis, on monthly basis, and we do the evaluation of all our projects, and we have a systematic audit happening every year, sir. Internal, external, and international. And our external audit is the KPMG, and we have the collective resources, and we look after this project, sir. And this way, your support is being utilized, sir.
Okay. So, what are the projects you have in Mumbai?
So, we have many of the projects running in Mumbai. We have a project in Karjat, Thane, Bandra. And in Barampara only we have a project for the children, sir. So if you are free anytime, you can have a look also.
Okay.
This is the form.
Yeah, who is heading your organization?
Sir, our organization is headed by Shabana Azmi, sir. You may be knowing her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's a well-known person in the society. She is heading the organization, so it can't be any fraud organization or something. So so we are working in from last 40 years also, you may be knowing it. So this is the form, sir, and just your name and a number and your details, so that we can link the child to you, sir.
Okay. What is this? It's sponsorship gift amount.
Yes, sir.
Can you please come again? What is the child sponsorship?
Sir, child sponsorship is a long-term valuable relationship between the sponsored child and the donor who is supporting this child. It can be done after supporting a child. You can see the changes, what changes comes in the society and the community and in his life. That sponsored child for whom you are supporting out also, sir. So this is the form, sir. So please come for and support at least for one child, sir.
Okay. So what is the okay? What are the details you need from my side?
Sir, just your name and address at which you want this welcome kit to be delivered. As I explained, you will be receiving the child messages, child profile pic and all.
Okay.
So, at which address you want this welcome kit to be delivered? That address you need to give, sir. And if you don't want the hard copy of it,
Any tax exemption?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. You will be getting a 50% tax exemption also, sir. And for supporting, it's just monthly 500. If you see, it's just monthly 500 that you can do it through quarterly, half yearly, and yearly also. Through check, ECS, and credit card, debit card. By this, you get 50% tax exemption, as I already mentioned. And if you see 500 per month, it's not a big amount, sir. If it comes to around 20 rupees a day. With your small contribution, a child can be educated and be a respectable person in the society. As you know, this is the month of education, admissions in the schoolings and all. Your support is very much important for us, sir. So please come forward and support at least for one child, sir.
See, Gopi, I'm really impressed the kind of accountability you are maintaining from the communities, the individual donors, the corporate sponsors, the government. But what is the change sponsorship all about? Like the children stay with the parent?
Yes, sir. Most of the cases, the children do stay with their parents, and most of the children do not stay with their parents because, as you know, sir, in most of the cases we see that some of the parents are, some don't have their parents. Either the father is not there, either the mother is not there, and even if both are there, the financial condition is not that good. It is very hard for them to survive. So we enroll these children. We use them, we provide them education, and we support their family and their livelihood, sir. So,
Okay.
yeah, this is the form, sir. Just
Yeah.
2 minutes of your time. Can I have your name and number?
Yeah, fine, I'll go ahead with it. So I'll support for one child.
Only one child, sir. We are working in a sense of urgency, at least for 10 childs.
No, I'm not financially that strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
At least for 2.
But I would like to support only for one child. One year.
1 year. So it's a long, so as I told you, it's a long-term process. Long-term means we have many donors who are supporting for 10 years also, sir. So at least for 7 years you can support.
No, 7 years is too much for me. I support for 1.5 years.
So as I told you, it's regarding education. If you support for 1.5 year and in between if you leave after half a year, means after 1 year and half a year is left. So the child cannot get the proper education in the second year. So we have to delink this child and link to other donors. So please, I request you to support at least for 5 years.
But okay, fine. I'll go with 3 years.
Okay, no issues, sir. So can I have your name and number?
You can take.
Yeah. What's your name, sir?
You can take. My name is Praveen.
Okay. What's the address that you want this welcome kit?
Yeah, you can take it.
Okay. And what is the mode you want to support, sir?
I'll pay by cash.
So cash we do not accept. We have a credit card and debit card option. If you have a credit card or debit card, you can swipe this card with using this swipe machine, sir. We have that facility also. Or else you have a checkbook, you can give a check also.
Okay. Fine, I'll swipe the card.
Okay. Would you like to swipe for 18,000 whole of 3 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is 7,200, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll go ahead. Thanks.
Okay.